Mickey Mouse is an animated cartoon character co-created in 1928 by Walt Disney and Ub Iwerks. The longtime mascot of the Walt Disney Company, Mickey is an anthropomorphic mouse who typically wears red shorts, large yellow shoes, and white gloves, taking inspiration from such silent film personalities as Charlie Chaplin's Tramp. Mickey is traditionally characterized as a sympathetic underdog who gets by on pluck and ingenuity. The character's status as a small mouse was personified through his diminutive stature and falsetto voice, the latter of which was originally provided by Disney. Mickey is one of the world's most recognizable and universally acclaimed fictional characters of all time.
Created as a replacement for a prior Disney character, Oswald the Lucky Rabbit, Mickey first appeared in the short Plain Crazy, debuting publicly in the short film Steamboat Willie, 1928, one of the first sound cartoons. The character was originally to be named Mortimer Mouse, until Lillian Disney instead suggested Mickey during a train ride. The character went on to appear in over 130 films, including The Band Concert, 1935, Brave Little Tailor, 1938, and Fantasia, 1940. Mickey appeared primarily in short films, but also occasionally in feature-length films. 10 of Mickey's cartoons were nominated for the Academy Award for Best Animated Short Film, one of which, Lend a Paw, won the award in 1941. In 1978, Mickey became the first cartoon character to have a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Beginning in 1930, Mickey has also been featured extensively in comic strips and comic books. The Mickey Mouse comic strip, drawn primarily by Floyd Gottfredson, ran for 45 years. Mickey has also appeared in comic books such as Mickey Mouse, Disney Italy's Topolino and Mickey Mouse Mystery Magazine, and Wizards of Mickey. Mickey also features in television series such as The Mickey Mouse Club, 1955 to 1996, and others. He appears in other media such as video games as well as merchandising and is a mutable character at the Disney parks. Mickey generally appears alongside his girlfriend Minnie Mouse, his pet dog Pluto, his friends Donald Duck and Goofy, and his nemesis Pete, among others. See Mickey Mouse Universe. Though originally characterized as a cheeky lovable rogue, Mickey was rebranded over time as a nice guy, usually seen as an honest and bodacious hero. In 2009, Disney began to rebrand the character again by putting less emphasis on his friendly, well-meaning persona and reintroducing the more adventurous and stubborn sides of his personality, beginning with the video game epic Mickey.